Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in NX. This detailed drawing download from this website. You can download it. So let's start. First, select Extrude. Select YZ plane. Then we need create rectangle. Select these edges, midpoint, and orange coincident. Add arc by center and point. Select this edge, then we need convert reference, make dimension, this point, $90. $106 coincident. $19.1 finish. Boolean none. The star 0 and this dimension 126. Okay. Next we need shell. Select this face and this face and these three faces. Thickness is 3.8. Okay. Next, extrude. Select XZ plane. Then we need create rectangle. Make dimension 90. Next we need create intersection curves. Select this face. Now create this intersection curves. Okay. Select these curves. Convert to reference. Next we need create arc. Create arc, 3-point arc. Tangent constitute. Okay. Make dimension 90. And this radius 32. Coincident. Select this point on coincident. Okay. We need close the sketch, so we create an arc. Finish. the dimension, symmetrical view, Boolean subtract. Okay. Edge blend. 90. Okay. Next we need to create the bone part. So extrude, select X, Y plane. Then we need create rectangle, create arc, select this line, convert to reference. This line convert to reference. Make dimension. This line. (140.2 minus 12). Okay. Select this point onto X. Dimension 36. And this dimension. Oh, sorry. This dimension is 18.7. Okay, finish the sketch. Direction reversed. The distance is 5 mm. Boolean 9. We need to select the offset two side or symmetrical. Dimension 6 mm. Okay. Next we need to validate the edge. So select face blend. Select this face. Select the face 2. You need to notice the direction. The middle face. Okay. This is face 1, face 2, middle face. Okay. Next we need to create this feature. So extrude. Select XY plane. Then we create a circle. Constraint point onto line. Then make dimension this point. Oh, sorry. We need come back. Okay, come back. Double click extrude file. So the dimension is long 18.7 is here to here. So delete. (18.7) finish. Okay. Double click 8. The dimension 18.7 and the circle is 13.2. Finish. Fine, and list it until actual select this face. Boolean unit. Select this body. OK. Create a hole. Dimension 16. Select this point. OK. Chamfer. Symmetrical. Distance 2 mm. OK. Ctrl G. Change the color. Okay, we finished the part. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.